Which of the following is a true statement about constructors in Java? Okay, remember that the constructor is what is used to create the object of a class, and more specifically, initialize the instance variables so that they are actually set to values rather than just being set to default values. Now, A, B, C, and D are false statements. Let's go through why. The constructor contains all of the methods that the object can utilize. The class is what defines all of the methods that the object can utilize. So that is incorrect. B says the constructors should be made private to keep all the information safe and secure. This is not true. Remember, usually you construct and call the constructor outside of the class because you use the constructor to create an object. And sometimes that is done outside of the class. So actually constructors should be public. And really here, what should be made private to keep information safe is the data, which are the instance variables. So instance variables should be made private so that we keep the information, the data for the object safe and secure. Answer choice C says the constructor should not have the same name as the class. This is actually completely false. The constructor not even should, must have the same name as the class. It's one of the key requirements for the constructors. And D is also incorrect. In inheritance, the parent class should always contain the keyword super. This is not required. Okay, in inheritance, the parent class must not always contain the keyword super. It can, but is not really required, and nothing about constructors. Okay, this is a question about constructors. This is talking about inheritance. That's neither here nor there, as it references to constructors.